Ipinapangako kong pipiliin kita sa araw-araw, hindi lang dahil kailangan kita, kundi dahil gusto kong makasama ka sa lahat ng meron o wala.
Pinipili kita.
Love kita so much. Alam ko yung mga pinagdaanan mo, tsaka yung mga struggles ko sa buhay. And I couldn't be more proud of what you've become as a woman. So, I love you.
Pangakong hindi ko kakalimutan na bago kita minahal, minahal muna tayo ng Diyos. At kung darating man ang mga panahong mahina ako, pangako kong hindi tatalikuran ang mga panatang ito, sapagkat ang pag-ibig na to ay higit pa sa pangako. Ito ay panata ko rin sa harapan ng Diyos na may akda ng ating kwento.
At kung ang alaala'y mabubura, panata kong hanapin ka.
Nak, I love you. Thank you very much.
Ayun siyempre thank you. Dito lang kami palagi ni Robin. Hindi ka namin papabayaan. I love you.
At sa'yo naman pa, I know na hindi naging perfect. Family na meron tayo. But I still want to thank you for being there for me and Robin. I pray na palagi kang ingatan ni Lord. Sana lagi ka ding mag-ask ng guidance sa Kanya. Mag-iingat ka palagi.
Usap lang daw, usap lang. Wala na. Gusto kita kumain eh. Siyempre na. Alam mo naman, kiss kita.
Babu, today I stand before the Lord and all these witnesses to make my promises to you. I vow to protect you with all my heart, to love you endlessly, and to serve you with sincerity. I will be faithful to you every single day, and I will be patient, understanding, and compassionate, even when life gets hard. I promise to laugh with you in moments of joy, to pray with you in moments of doubt, and to grow with you in faith, love, and life.
Babu, salamat. Salamat sa 3 taon na pag-intindi, pagtitiis, at walang sawang pagyakap sa mga panahong maganda man o mahirap. Marami na tayong napagdaanan, mga pagsubok na tayo at si Lord lang ang nakakaalam.
Lapit na.
Naiiyak na ako sa setup.
Mamaya lang kiss the bride ah.
Great is your faithfulness.
Thank you, Ma, kasi naging matatag ka at never mo kaming sinukuha ni Robin. Sa kabila ng lahat ng failures na naranasan namin, hindi mo kami iniwan at pinabayaan. Thank you, Ma, kasi hindi ka bumitaw.
Pa, unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos sa buhay mo. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi hindi ka sumuko. Yung prayer mo, natulungan ka ni Lord, tinupad niya. Dahil hindi ka nag-give up at dahil prioritize mo kami.
I will never forget the day we went to church with your family. Months later, we decided to have our first date. Because we both love the rain, we agreed that if it rained that day, it would be a sign that we were meant to be. We both prayed na sana umulan ng araw na yon. The day was hot, bright, and sunny. No signs of rain. We were both secretly hoping for that sign. Then at the exact chorus of your favorite song, Walong Bilyon, the rain poured down hard.
I still get goosebumps whenever I remember that moment. That was when I promised myself I would take care of you because you are God's gift to me, and I knew that I could never let you go.
Hindi ako naghahanap ng pag-ibig nung dumating ka. Akala ko, ayos na akong mag-isa. Tahimik at payapa na. Pero nung dumating ka, doon ko lang naramdaman kung gaano kasarap ang may karamay sa katahimikan. At doon ko naintindihan na sa mahabang panahon, mas naging masaya pala ako nung nandyan ka na.
Ating awit ay iginuhit ng langit.
I promise to always make room for you in my heart, to honor and respect you, and to never take a single moment with you for granted. I promise to choose you every single day, just as God chose us to find each other.
Sa tulad ko'y napalapit. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin? Sa libo-libong mga bituin, di ko mawari, ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita.
Thank you, Babu, for lifting me up in prayer whenever I feel spiritually weak. And thank you for giving your life to Jesus and for sharing His goodness with others. Alam ko na madalas kaya mo, pero ngayon, hindi mo na kailangan solohin lahat. Pwede ka na mapagod kasi nandito na ako. At katulad ng lagi mong sinasabi, bubuo tayo ng masayang tahanan. Hindi perpekto pero puno ng pagmamahalan. At kung may mga araw man ng luha at tampuhan, babalik tayo sa yakap ng kapatawaran.
As it says in Ecclesiastes 4:12, a cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken. With you, me, and the Lord together, nothing can break us. I love you more than words can express, and I will cherish you, honor you, and love you for the rest of my life. I love you.